Good morning, students of standard 12. Welcome in day 24. As you know that in day 23, I have solved question 1 and 5 of exercise 4. Okay, and I have given 1 to 10 as a homework. Okay, and I hope you have solved all questions 1 to 10. So today I am going to start from question number 11. So see question number 11. In question number 11, you have to find the integration of 3 plus 4x minus x square by x plus 2 into x minus 1 dx. Okay. So here, integration of this is solution. Integration 3 plus 4x minus x square by x plus 2 x minus 1 dx. This is your question. And first of all, you will simplify this term. 3 plus 4x minus x square by x plus 2x minus 1 equal to, you will just arrange the term, denominator term minus x square plus 4x plus 3 by, you will multiply the term x into x, x square, x into minus x plus 2x, 2 into x, 2x minus x, this becomes x plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Okay. Now this can be written as like this. You will take x square plus x minus 2 minus 1 plus 5x plus 1 by x square plus x minus 2. When you simplify this, then this is equal to the this term. Okay, so you can split this term like this. Okay. Now this becomes equal to 3 plus 4x minus x square by x plus 2 x minus 1 equal to minus 1 plus 5x plus 1 by x plus 2 x minus 1. This is simple term, so you will break this term in partial fraction. Okay. So let 5x plus 1 by x plus 2 x minus 1 equal to a by x plus 2 plus b by x minus 1. 5x plus 1 by x plus 2 x minus 1 equal to a into, you will take LCM x plus 2 x minus 1, then it becomes a into x minus 1 plus b into x plus 2. Okay. So this term is cancelled out by denominator term. Now this becomes 5x plus 1 equal to a into x minus 1 plus b into x plus 2. This is equation 1. Okay. Now you will separate the term a, that means you will find the value of, so you will put here x is equal to minus 2 plus 2, this becomes 0, 0 to be 0. Okay. So you will put here x is equal to minus 2. 5 into minus 2 plus 1 equal to a minus 2 minus 1 plus b minus 2 plus 2. You will put here x is equal to minus 2. Okay. So see here 5 to the 10 minus 10 plus 1 equal to minus 2 minus 1 minus 3a plus b to 0 0. Minus 9 10 minus 10 plus 1 minus 9 equal to minus 3a. A is equal to minus 9 by minus 3, minus cancel out, 3 is the 9. So a is equal to 3. Okay. Again you will put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. So a is cancelled out, then you will get the value of b. Okay. Put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. 5 into 1 plus 1 equal to a into 1 minus 1 plus b into 1 plus 2. Okay. Then you will put here x is equal to 1. 5 over the 5 plus 1 equal to a, 1 minus 1 0, this becomes 0, plus 2 plus 1 3, 3b. 5 plus 1 6, 6 is equal to 3b. So b is equal to 6 by 3, so b is equal to 2. Student, when you got the value of a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2, then you will find the integration of given equation. So first of all, see here, your function is 3 plus 4x minus x square by x plus 2 into x minus 1, and you will arrange like this: minus 1 plus 5x plus 1 by x plus 2 into x minus 1. This is constant of minus 1 plus, you will break in this in exponential partial fraction, a by x plus 2 plus b by x minus 1. Then it becomes 3 plus 4x minus x square by x plus 2 into x minus 1 equal to minus 1 plus, put the value of x, a you have find a is equal to 3, so 3 by x plus 2 plus, put the value of b is equal to 2, you have find already, so 2 by x minus 1. Okay. Then after you will find the integration of given function. Integration sign 3 plus 4x minus x square by x plus 2 into x minus 1 dx, okay, equal to minus 1 dx. 1 is constant, so it is not necessary to write here, so you will just write minus integration dx plus 3 integration 1 by x plus 2 dx plus 2 integration 1 by x minus 1 dx. Okay, so we can say that the final integration 3 plus 4x minus x square by x plus 2 into x minus 1 dx is equal to integration of dx should be x, and this is minus sign, so minus x plus 3 log mod x plus 2 plus 2 log x minus 1 mod x minus 1 plus constant term. This is your answer. Students, today I have solved question number 11, and you will just see the question from 11 to 20. All the questions are just in the same pattern as question number 11. So I hope you will solve all the questions from question number 1 to 20. Now students, see question number 22. Integration of cosec square x by 1 minus cot square x dx. Okay, solution, let cot x is equal to t. You have to find the first derivative of this term. D cot x by dx is equal to dt by dx minus, you know, cot x, first derivative of cot x is equal to minus cos square x is equal to dt by dx. Okay, so minus cosec square x dx is equal to dt. Now put the value of minus cos square x dx by 1 minus cot square x. Okay, so just you will take minus plus, you can write it here like this, minus integration of minus cosec square x dx 1 minus cot square x. Now minus integration, put the value of minus cos square x dx is equal to dt by 1 minus cot x is equal to t, so it becomes t square. Okay, minus integration dt by 1 square minus t square. So minus integration dt by 1 plus t into 1 minus t. You will break the term 1 by t, 1 plus t and 1 minus t. 1 by 1 plus t into 1 minus t is equal to a by 1 plus t, b by 1 minus t. So 1 by 1 minus t, 1 plus t is equal to a into 1 minus t plus b 1 plus t into by 1 minus t into 1 plus t. This term cancel out. A is equal to 1 equal to a into 1 minus t, b plus b 1 plus t equation 1. Put t is equal to 1 in equation 1, then you will get the value of b is equal to half. Okay, similarly you will put x is equal to minus 1 in equation 1, then you will get the value of a is equal to 1 by 2. Now integration minus integration dt by 1 minus t square is equal to minus common integration 1 by 2 1 plus t by 1 by 2 1 minus t. Put the value of a and b. Okay, now it becomes minus half log 1 plus t, and this becomes half log 1 minus t minus half log 1 minus t plus constant term. So this equal to minus half, you will take minus as a common log, and this is in minus term. So 1 plus cot x, put the value of t cot x by 1 minus cot x plus c. This is your answer. Okay, student, today I have discussed question number 11 and 22. So today's homework is, you will write here your homework. This is your homework for day 24. Do question 1 to 30 of exercise 4. Okay, this is your homework for day 24. Do question 1 to 30 of exercise 4. Today's class is over. Thanks to all of you for watching me. Have a nice day.